Life is full of challenges. From managing our day-to-day expenses to planning for our future, the journey can be daunting. But what if there was a beacon of hope? A solution that could transform our financial landscape and pave the way to prosperity. Enter Truth and Equity and their patented credit line banking system, a revolutionary approach that isn't just about numbers and figures, but about changing lives. At Truth and Equity, we understand that financial freedom isn't just about how much money you have in your bank account. It's about empowerment. It's about taking control of your destiny and shaping a future filled with abundance and security. The CLB program works for anyone, regardless of their financial circumstance. It's not a gimmick or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a better way to bank, borrow, and grow into prosperity 4 times faster than conventional practices. Think of it like replacing a gas-guzzling car with a high-powered, hydrogen-fueled vehicle. It's advanced, it's efficient, and it's powerful. But here's the thing. Traditional banks don't promote CLB because they can't. Their charters and covenants prevent them from truly helping people with their finances. That's why the Truth and Equity CLB system is a game changer. It's not just about managing your finances, it's about building security and independence. And the best part, you don't have to take our word for it. Visit truthandequity.com to run your own numbers, because the truth is in the proof. Whether you're just getting by or rolling in dough, CLB will perform faster, offer no risk, and provide a better means to managing your finances. So let's redefine what it means to achieve financial freedom. Let's embrace a fresh perspective on an age-old challenge. Let's discover the power of CLB together. Visit truthandequity.com and start your journey to financial empowerment today. Because when it comes to your future, the truth is in your equity. Your equity is in what you think, how you act, what you own, what you earn, and what you do next. Think big. Think CLB and Truth and Equity.